Hello everyone. I thought that I will share with you all of my community members this news that as I was going through various posts on LinkedIn. First of all, I was made to um, go to the Microsoft App Store and download the Windows version of LinkedIn. And here I chanced across that this is the new news on April 10th. It's pretty new, I would say. .NET 10 Preview 3 is also now available. So you can download .NET Preview 3 here, and it says that there are lots of changes, lots of new introduction in the libraries, like introduce an AOT safe constructor for validation context, support for telemetry schema, URLs, byte level support in BPE tokenizer. And I am opening it through devblogs.microsoft.com/.net/.NET 10 Preview 3. Look for .NET 10 Preview 3 on Google, and then there are lots of changes on the runtime, stack allocation of small arrays of reference types, improved code layout, full release notes, then SDK, and then C# extension numbers, null conditional assignment, full release notes, Visual Basic. There have been no changes, no new features added in this preview release, full release notes, and declarative model for persisting state from components and services, ASP.NET Core and Blazor. So reference fingerprinted static web assets in standalone Blazor assembly, web apps, HTTP client response streaming enabled by default on WebAssembly, validation support in minimal APIs, and so on and so forth. So many things. OpenAI support enabled by default in the ASP.NET Core Web API native AOT template. And then some changes, new releases for .NET MAUI, like full screen video playback, geolocation is enabled, web authentication, cancellation token performance improvements, .NET for Android, .NET for iOS, Mac Catalyst, Mac OS, tvOS, Windows Forms. So Entity Framework Core is also quite touched, improved experience when evolving the model on Azure Cosmos DB for NoSQL, small improvements to redact inline constants from log and no load extent and to load extension, full release notes, container images, and join us for .NET Preview 3 unboxed live stream. You can have a watch on the YouTube to this preview introductions. And also the good news, which I have chanced across earlier, that GitHub Copilot is now available for free. No trial, no credit card required, just your GitHub account. Okay. So I have already, now I have been out of my subscription because its subscription is no more required. I have cancelled it and I'm using the free version. Okay. Absolutely free. So that's all in a nutshell. You can go through this DevBlogs website and look for it yourself. Okay. So there are discussion monthly announcements along with full release notes. .NET Core GitHub discussion has been great engagement and feedback from the community. And .NET 10, you can stay updated with all features in .NET 10 with what is new in .NET 10, what's new in C#, what's new in .NET MAUI, what's new in ASP.NET Core, and so on and so forth. And okay, that's all I wanted to share with you. Thanks.